Okay guys, so today we'll be replacing my leeco S3 battery that got damaged and subsequently caught fire. So I already pulled the phone and got the screen off to get out the battery. So make sure you guys heat the side of the phone to get off the screen, but it's not that hard, so you can just see something and pry away the sides, but be careful as there is a connector under the screen, so you want to slightly tilt it up and rest it down and get a screwdriver and remove the two screws that are there right under the screen. Then pull away the shiny metal that's there and kind of clip away the Lego like connector for the display and remove the display, as you can see there. So be careful when opening the display, and as you can see there are multiple screws after, so you want to take out all those screws as shown by the blue circles that came on screen. So to get to the battery, you'll have to take out each and every one of those screws, and you can find a way that's easy enough for you to pull the, what should I say, the covering to get to the battery. So that's me just trying to get it. So as I said, I pulled it before, so it's kind of easier for me. You guys will meet up on adhesives and stuff like that. So as you can see, I already took out the battery, and now I'm going to put in the new battery that I bought off AliExpress. I bought it for, I think it was around $14. So there's a small connector, I want to say on the logic board, that you'll connect the battery to. So as you can see, let me try and get it like really close for you guys to see. So right now the connector for the battery is kind of blocking it, but there's a connector right there that you'll hook up the battery to. So now you'll see it. Well, you'll see it when you disconnect your battery. So the same connector where you disconnected your battery from, that's where you want to reconnect the battery. So mine got damaged at the gym. I put it down there and I don't know what happened, and someone damaged it. So now I have to replace all of that. So as you can see, that's trying to get it. So it's just like a Lego connection. So just align it and gently get it into place and push it down. Careful not to do it too vigorously and damage anything. It's really easy to go in. So you want to just do that and get it in gently and make sure it's in properly, because you don't want anything like that. So, and you guys can use adhesive to hold down the battery for permanent stuff like that, but this is me just trying to test it firsthand to make sure the battery is working. It's because on the AliExpress they ensure that battery is working before anything. So that's me. This is just testing it to see that's working. So also the red thing that you just me put there is the that came off the camera. In case it falls off, just put it back in and just reconnect the display to the display connected back to the socket where you took it out previously. So just look for it, as such, be gentle with it and align it, and so just align it properly. It's not that hard to get in, it's just like a Lego clip thing, so it's nothing too tedious in it. And after you get it in, you can either test the display, just put down the display and test it, or you can screw in back the screws and put in back the shiny metal that was there. But as you can see, I'm just going to test the screen to ensure that it's working. So I have my charger and I'm going to connect it to ensure that power is going to the phone and the battery is okay. Yes, so it's taking charge and the battery is at 51%. And make sure to fully charge the battery before turning on the phone to prevent any damage. And you must charge it 3 times fully and discharge it 3 times. So that's it. It's working properly and I've been using it for a while and it's been going quite okay. So that's it, guys.